Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your maths teacher Anjali Daya. Let us start our topic percentage. Neil, my phone battery is showing number 50 with a symbol this. Do you know what it means? Yes, Arya, this symbol represents percent and this 50% means your battery is halfway charged. It shows how much of the battery is used up compared to the total capacity. So 50% shows half of your battery power is still available for use. So you mean to say the battery is divided into 100 equal parts and right now I have 50 out of those 100 parts left. Exactly. That's what the percentage symbol represents. It's a way to show parts of a whole. In your case, the whole is the capacity of your phone's battery. So when the battery shows 100%, it means it is fully charged, and when it is shows 0%, it is empty. Now, percentage. Percentage is a way to represent a fraction with 100 as the denominator. The term percent means out of 100. It shows part of a whole where the whole is divided into 100 equal parts. For example, 25% means 25 out of 100 or 25 parts of a whole divided into 100 equal parts. Look at the given square grid of 100 small squares. The colored squares represent the percentage. Let us see what percentage of the square grid is colored. In this grid, 43 out of 100 squares are colored. We can write this as a fraction is 43 out of 100. 43 by 100, which means 43% or 43%. Now learn with fun. Imagine you have a bag with 100 colorful marbles in the percentage mentioned below. 30% of the marbles are red, 20% of the marbles are green. Now remaining marbles are blue. Now find out and write the answer for the following. First, how many red marbles are there? Out of 100, 30% means 30. Next, how many green marbles are there? 20% means 20. Next, how many blue marbles are there? 30 plus 20 is 50, so remaining 50. Hint. Remember that percentage means out of 100. Since you know how many marbles are red and green, the blue marbles are simply what is left. Now, conversion of percentage to fraction. To convert a percentage to a fraction, we simply remove the percent sign and divide the number by 100. Then, if possible, we simplify the fraction to its lowest term. Let us convert 36% into fraction. First, remove the percent sign and write the number over 100. 36% is 36 by 100. Now, second, find the greatest common factor of 36 and 100, which is 4. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 4. When we divide 36 by 100 by 4, we get 9 upon 25. Thus, 9 upon 25 is the fraction of 36% in its simplest form. Now, think and do. Match the following percentages to their fractions in simplest form. A. 25%. 25% is 25 by 100, that is 1/4. 50% is half. 75% is 3/4. And 100% is whole. Now, conversion of fraction to percentage. To convert a fraction to percentage, we multiply the fraction by 100 and add the percentage sign. Alternatively, we divide the fraction's numerator by its denominator, then multiply the result by 100 and add the percentage sign. Let us understand how through a few examples. Now, example 1, convert 3 by 5 and B 27 into percentage using multiplication. Now solution. A part, 3 by 5 multiply by 100%, that is equals to 5 2s are 10, 0, that is 60%. 27 multiplied by 100 is equals to 2700%. Now example 2, convert 25 by 11 into percentage. Solution, 25 by 11 multiplied by 100, that is equals to 2500 upon 11%, or when you divide it becomes 227.27%. Alternatively, 25 by 11 into 100% is 2.2727 multiplied by 100% is 227.27%. Now conversion of decimal to percentage. To convert a decimal to percentage, we change the decimal into fraction, multiply it by 100 and add the percentage sign. Alternatively, we can directly multiply the decimal by 100 and add the percentage sign to convert it to percentage. Let us convert 0.75 to a percentage. Now, first write 0.75 as a fraction and then multiply it by 100. 0.75 becomes 75 upon 100, multiply by 100%, 100 से 100 cancel, that is 75%. Now, in text exercise 1. Question number 1, write the percentage for the following square grids. A part, only one is uncolored, so percentage is 99%. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now question number 2, shade the boxes in the square grid to represent the following percentage. A 24%, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 20 1 2 3 and 4. This is the 24%. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बी पार्ट आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग परसेंटेजेस इनटू फ्रैक्शंस. नाउ ए पार्ट 12%. 12% means 12 by 100. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 0, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 5 are 10. That is 3 by 25. 3 by 25. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आपको ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस इनटू परसेंटेजेस. ए पार्ट 18 by 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100%. 100 से 100 कैंसिल, दैट इज 18%. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग डेसिमल्स इनटू परसेंटेजेस. ए पार्ट 1.27. 1.27 multiply by 100%, that is 127%. 127%. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट, परसेंटेज एंड यूनिट्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट. इन मेजरमेंट we can express smaller units as percentage of a larger unit. Let us see how. Now, category, conversion, unit, fraction and percentage. First is monetary units. 100 paisa becomes 1 rupees, that is 1 paisa unit, that is 1 upon 100 of a rupee, that is 1% of a rupee. 75 paisa is 75 by 100 of a rupee, that is 75% of a rupee. Now length, 100 centimeter becomes 1 meter, that is 1 centimeter. 1 upon 100 of a meter is 1% of a meter. 50 centimeter is 50 upon 100 of a meter is 50% of a meter. 200 centimeter is 200 upon 100 of a meter is 200% of a meter. Now volume, 1000 milliliter is equals to 1 liter. 1 milliliter is equals to 1 upon 1000 of a liter, that is 0.1% of a liter. 500 milliliter, 500 upon 1000 of a liter is 50% of a liter. 250 milliliter, 250 by 1000 of a liter is 25% of a liter. Now weight, 1000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram. So 1 gram is 1 upon 1000 of a kilogram, that is 0.1% of a kilogram. 650 gram is 650 upon 1000 of a kilogram, that is 65% of a kilogram. 50 grams is 50 upon 1000 of a kilogram, that is 5% of a kilogram. Now 1000 milligram is equals to 1 gram. So 1 milligram is equals to 1 upon 1000 of a gram, that is 0.1% of a gram. 450 milligrams is 450 upon 1000 of a gram, that is 45% of a gram. Now time 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So 1 minute is 1 upon 60 into 100% of an hour, about 1.67% of an hour. 30 minutes is 30 upon 60 into 100% of an hour is 50% of an hour. Now 365 days is equals to 1 year. So 1 day is 1 upon 365 multiplied by 100% of a year is about 0.27% of a year. 15 days is 15 upon 365 multiplied by 100% of a year, about 4.1% of a year. 79 days is 79 upon 365 multiplied by 100% of a year is about 21.64% of a year. Now finding percentage of a given number or quantity. To find the percentage of a given number or quantity, we express the percentage as a fraction and replace of with a multiplication sign. Then we multiply the fraction by the given number or quantity. Now example 1, find the percentage of the following quantity or number. A, 15% of 80 kg. Now solution, 15% of 80 kg. 15% means 15 upon 100, of means multiply into 80, that is equals to 1200 upon 100 kg, that is 12 kg. Thus 15% of 80 kg is 12 kg. Now B part is 20% of rupees 500. 20% means 20 upon 100 into 500, that is equals to rupees 100. Thus 20% of rupees 500 is rupees 100. Now example 2. Anaya wants to buy a dress that costs rupees 800. The store is offering a 20% discount on all items. How much discount will Anaya get and what will be the final price of the dress? Now solution, cost of the dress is 800 rupees. Percentage of discount offered is 25%. So discount amount is 25% of 800, that is equals to rupees 200. Since Anaya is getting rupees 200 discount, subtract it from the original price of the dress to get the final price. So final price is original price minus discount, that is 800 rupees minus 200 rupees is equals to 600 rupees. Thus after the discount, Anaya has to pay rupees 600. Now think. Shanaya's birthday falls exactly 100 days after the beginning of the year. What percentage of the year is this? तो बच्चे ये क्वेश्चन आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next, converting a number to a percentage of a given number. To convert a number to a percentage of a given number, we write the first number as the numerator and the second number as the denominator to form a fraction. Then we multiply this fraction by 100 and add the percentage sign to express the result as a percentage. Now, example 1. What percentage is 30 of 50? Now, solution, write 30 over 50. To form a fraction and then multiply the fraction by 100%. So 30 upon 50 multiplied by 100% is equals to 60%. Thus 30 is 60% of 50. Now example 2. Riya scored 80 marks out of 120 in her maths test. What percentage of the total marks did she score? Solution, marks scored by Riya in her math test is 80. Total marks is 120. So percentage she scored is 80 upon 120 multiplied by 100%, that is 66.67%. Thus Riya scored 66.67% of the total marks in her test. Now in text exercise 2, question number 1, find the percentage of the following quantities. A part, 90 centimeter of a meter. 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter means 90 upon 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 90 upon 100 into 100, that is 90%. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वांटिटीज और नंबर्स. नाउ 30% of 60 kg. 30% means 30 by 100 into 60. 0, 0, 3, 6 18. 18 kg. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं, बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. ए पार्ट, अ बुक कॉस्ट ₹400 एंड देयर इज अ 15% discount on it. How much is the discount amount and what will be the final price after applying the discount? So cost is ₹400. Discount is 15%. So discount is equals to 15% of 400. 60 rupees. So discount amount is 60 rupees and final price is 400 minus 60 rupees, that is rupees 340 and the final price is rupees 340. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लेट्स पुट इट टुगेदर. First, percentage represents a number as a fraction of 100 and its symbol is percent. To convert a percentage to a fraction, we remove the percentage symbol and divide the number by 100 or multiply it by 1 upon 100. Then we simplify the fraction if needed. Next, to convert a percentage to a decimal, we remove the percentage symbol and divide the number by 100. Then we shift the decimal point 2 places to the left to write it as a decimal. Next, to convert a fraction to a percentage, we multiply the fraction by 100 and add the symbol percentage. Alternatively, we divide the numerator by the denominator, multiply the result by 100 and add the percentage symbol. Next, to convert a decimal to a percentage, we multiply the decimal by 100 and add the percentage symbol. Next, to find the percentage of a number or quantity, we replace the percentage symbol with 1 upon 100 and replace off with multiplication. Then we multiply the fraction by the given number or quantity. Next, to express a number as a percentage of another number, we write a fraction with the first number as the numerator and the second as the denominator. Then we multiply this fraction by 100 and add the percentage symbol. तो बच्चों, आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे.